Okay, good morning, student. In algebra, as per the reduction syllabus, there are only four chapters, and from fourth chapter, for example, trigo, there are no word problem, and in quadratic equation we have revised word problem. In simultaneous equation we have revised word problem. Now we are going to revise word problem from AP, arithmetic progression. In probability, word problem is cancelled, so only in three chapters you have to face the word problem: quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, and AP. So two we have completed, so third one. Three 3.4 totally word problem exercise. First one is very important, mark, very important question. From 1st January, from 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2016. 2016, it is a leap year. So total number of days, 366. So n is equal to 366. First day 10 rupees, second day 11 rupees, third day 12 rupees, going on for 366 time. What would be her total saving? Total saving means first day 10 plus 11 21 plus 12 33, like that. So starting with 10 rupees, difference with one positive increasing series, and number of days there are 366. So at the end in the account, how much amount will be there? So SN, correct. So S 366, 366 divided by 2, 2A, 366 minus 1, difference is 1. So this is half, double, 365, 183, 385. Make the product, 385 into 183, 00380, 385, sorry. 5 5 7 5 12 0 7. So at the end 70255 rupees will be there. Total amount deposited, that is 70255. Man borrows 80,000. So uh, borrows, sorry, 8,000 rupees. Interest 1,360. So this much total they have to pay. So this is SN. Rebound payment total, principal amount plus interest amount in 12 installment. each installment being less by the previous 40 rupees. Always 40, 40, 40, 40 less they have to give. Find first installment and the last installment. A is equal to question, Tn is equal to question. In starting amount, what will be? Then 40 decrease, then 40 decrease, then 40 decrease, then 40 decrease. At the end, 12th installment of how much amount? So Sn is given. That is given 9360. N is given. A is not given. N is given. Difference is given. So it is 6 to A. This is 11. Six goes down. So 2A minus 440. Divide by 6, 6 ones are 6 5s are 6 6 are. So plus 440 is equal to 2A. So this is 2000. Therefore, 2A is equal to 2000. A is equal to 1000. So first time he will give 1000, then reduce 4, 900 and reduce 40, 960. Third installment 920. Next installment 880. Like that, decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. 12th term will be how much? So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. A plus difference. Last installment, sorry, 12th installment, 12th. 1000. 11 time minus 40 less. So minus 440. 1000 minus 440. Instead of 440 minus 500. So 560. So first installment 1000 rupees. 12th means last. From 1000 less 40 less 40 less 40 less 40, 12 time when he will give, you make the total, it will be 100%. 9360. Correct. Third, Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. The first year installment it is 5000. T1, T2 7000, T3 9000. Find the total investment in 12 years. This is yearly installment. So difference is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 7000 minus 5000 is equal to 2000. And number of turns they have given 12. Total investment after 12 months. So that is n by 2a, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. S12, 12 by 2, 2a, a with 5000, 12 minus 1, difference is 1000. So it is 6, 5,000. So double 10,000. 11 time 1,000. 6, 10,000 plus 11,000. So it is 21,000. 10,000. 12 minus 1 means 11 time 1,000 means 11,000. 11,000, 10,000, 21,000. 21,000 6 times. 1,26,000 rupees total investment. Show the comma from backside after 3 digit, then always rest of 2 to 2 digit. And don't come to school again and again without any work. Don't wander outside the school premises. And don't celebrate birthdays and all that, and don't eat outside food. Because now temperature is slowly increasing, and in that atmosphere it is not advisable to eat outside food. So take care of your health first, because after around 65-70 days you have your exam. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seat. There are 20 seats in first row. 20 seats. In second row, 22. In third row, 24. Find the number of seats in 15th. Also find how many total seats are there. There are rows 27. So S27 we want. Two different questions they have given. In first row, 20 seat. It is a triangle type arrangement. 20 seat, 22 seat, 24 seat, 26 seat, 28 seat, 30 seat. So on 15th row, how much seats? So we want T15. There are total 27 rows. So total number of seat how much? So at that time S20. So whenever you have to find S, whenever you have to find T, it should be very clear in your mind that otherwise people will find out S15, T27, no meaning. So you should know that exactly what is the question. So A is equal to T1 is equal to 26. Difference is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 22 minus 20 is equal to 2 seat. And number we have given first time 15, then second time we will see for S27. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. A is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 1, difference 2. In when the difference is positive, the series is in increasing order. When it is negative, series are in decreasing order. So by increasing 2 to 2 seats per row, on in 15th row there will be total 40 seats. Now A we have 20, D we have 2. Now N we have 27. To find S27. Total number of seat in auditorium. So Sn number 27 plus 40, 26 twos are 27 by 2, 40, 52, 92, 56. Correct. Now 27 into 46. So in auditorium, total number of seat in 15th row, number of seats are 40, but overall in auditorium, total number of seats are 1242. Fifth one, double star, triple star. Kargil's temperature in week from Monday to Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So anyone you can select A, then increasing order. A minus D, A plus A minus 2D. You can start with A plus 1, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. That also you can do. You can start from here also, A minus 1D, A minus 2D. Anyway, but the difference, the common difference should be equal. At the end, your answer will be equal. Don't worry. I have taken here A. You can take here A plus D, A plus 2D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A minus 2D, A minus 3D. In different, but the common difference should be equal. The sum of temperature of Monday plus Saturday was 5 degree. These are days. Temperature in degree centigrade. So Monday it is A minus 2D. Saturday A plus 3D is equal to 5. A plus A 2A. 3D minus 2D only D is equal to 5. Sorry. This is 5 more than the sum of temperature of Tuesday plus Saturday. So Saturday will cut. So Monday's temperature is equal to 5 more plus Tuesday. So Monday temperature is A minus 2D. 5. Tuesday temperature is A minus D. Correct. Again A cancel. 5 comes this side. 2D comes this side. So D is equal to minus 5. This is final. If the temperature of Wednesday was 30, Wednesday is equal to A. So you got all A and D. Now, day, temperature degree centigrade. Temperature degree centigrade. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. All A are 30. Sorry, minus 30 degree it is given. Minus 30, minus 30. Minus 2D. D is minus 5. So minus 2D is plus 10. Minus minus plus 5. Here nothing. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 20. So this will be minus 20, minus 25 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade, 35 degrees centigrade, minus 40 degrees centigrade, minus 50 degrees centigrade. Now, Wednesday it is given direct, Monday plus Saturday 70, Tuesday plus Saturday plus 5, 70. So when 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 number or 7 number are given, you can start with A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, like that. Among that series you can select. Or in decreasing order you can also take A minus D, A minus 2D, or at the center, or if there are even number, any one middle 2 number, any one you can consider A, then increasing of D, decreasing of D. So there are different way to consider, but at the end you will get this answer exactly same, exactly same. World Environment Day tree plantation program was arranged in a triangular shape, means increasing or decreasing. Tree are planted in such a way that first row there is a one tree, second row A first, that is T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 2T, T3 is equal to 3 trees. Find the total number of trees in 25 row. Total number of trees in 25 rows. There are 25 rows. But we want the total number of trees. First row 1, second row 2, third row 3, fourth row 4. On in 25th row, it must be 25. But we want the total. Suppose we don't want to consider this AP. We have to count 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 24 plus 25. Okay. So remove these 25. So from 1 to 24, there are 12 pair. There are 12 pair. So last and first and last number total is 25. This is total 25. This is total 25. So 25 12 times. So 56 times. So 100 3 times. So 300 and last number 325. Or suppose you don't want to take the pair of 25, take pair of 26. 1 plus 25 26, 2 plus 24 26. Like that you will get 12 pair. Exactly middle there will be 13. That number will remain. So multiply this 6 into 40, 6 into 52, 3 into 104. So 312 plus 13, 325. From 1 to 10, total is 55. 11 to 20, 155. 55, 125. Then total of 21 to 25, it is 125. So 55 plus 155 plus 125, again 325. So there are different way of calculation, but we are doing this by formula. So your A is equal to 1, difference also T2 minus T1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and N is equal to 25. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, n 25 by 2, a number 25, difference 1. Don't do half. 2, 24, 25, 2, 26, 25. When 25 12 times, it is 300 plus 25. Total number of tree. Among this, sum of 1 to n natural number is 36. One, two, up to n. In Sn it is given 36. Therefore, A is equal to 1. Difference also 1. N is equal to question. Mark this, very important question. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So Sn 36, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1, d is also 1. So 36 2s are 72 is equal to n, 2 plus n minus 1. So n plus 1 is equal to 72. n plus 1. So n plus 1, 8 nines are n plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1. n plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1. So what is n? So there are total 8 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So one pair 9.